What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. We are finally starting this winery build behind me. As you guys saw. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. I got a lot of people commenting recently. This build series has been done for a long time, the winery build, and people are still wanting to see it. Therefore, that is what we're doing today. I went out there a couple months back before they finished up landscaping outside. They had the exterior wrapped up. They were finishing up the interior. But let's jump into it. We're going to check out the project, see how it went, talk through a few things. Hope you guys are ready. Hope you enjoy. I have to say, I wasn't really too sure what to expect. This looks awesome. So after we finish up a project, we do what we call shimming and shaving. We'll take a 8-foot level with us and put it up against a wall, and any of the studs that are bowed in or out will get corrected by either shimming or we'll shave them down with the planer. The winery was the first project that we have never had to shim and shave. Those LSL studs from LP kept every one of our walls laser straight. Well, oftentimes I don't even get to come walk projects like this when they're done. We frame them, we get paid, we take off, and we don't ever really see those people again. We see the exterior and that's about it, and that's probably what I would see if I didn't come tour this winery. Look at how massive these things are that are hanging from the ceiling. We installed 4x6 blocking that are nailed like crazy, A35s on top of them to the truss, and that's what's holding all of that up. Wonder how much these units weigh. So far this place has come out awesome. Check out these roll-up doors. We added a ton of backing for those as well, right up where they mount. Up there, there's 1.125" plywood to where they can screw in and the garage door doesn't come flying down. When they first built this place, the plan was to do plywood like you saw in the existing building out here as well for the walls, the ceiling, everything. While I know that that would cost a bit more because obviously you're putting up plywood instead of drywall, you have to make sure that all your gaps are nice and tight and everything looks clean. I think drywall looks 10 times better. I'm gonna show you guys a quick comparison from this building to the main building. Let me know what you guys think. Would you plywood or drywall?
That will be functional shortly. I don't know if you went behind and actually saw the piping when it's pain in the ass it is.
No.
Go look at it.
Back behind these tanks?
Go ahead.
These guys spent months on this project, and it's because of how detailed the work is and how much work there was to do. You guys have your hands full. Every one of these tanks had to be hooked up. Everything is hooked to a little board that you guys will see here in just a sec, which is their control panel to control all of it. If we didn't have everything perfect, we knew that it would show in the drywall or the plywood. So we took our time and strung everything to make sure it was as straight as it could possibly be before we locked it all together. I don't know if you guys recall the amount of work that went into the roof on this place, but we had a lot of different hardware. We had a ton of different screws that we used. If you guys haven't seen it, there's a link in the iCard in the top right hand corner. You could watch this project from start to finish. But that's a wrap, guys. Merch is coming back soon. We sold out so fast, and I appreciate all the support. The winery was a fun build, it really was. The roof system was crazy. But like I said, if you guys haven't seen the project, link in the iCard top right hand corner. We'll be doing the same exact thing with the Ridge project to show you guys what it turns out like when it is complete. So stay tuned for that. We have a ton of instructional content coming in November. We're gonna go over all the basics and teach you guys everything I know. But that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed looking at the winery one last time. Give you guys some closure. And if you guys wanna see more, I do have a couple pictures coming soon over on my Instagram. Link is down below. I'll catch you guys next time though. Bang on.